Hello everyone, it's Cyber Monday and that means that all the CraftStash Black Friday deals are ending at midnight tonight. It's actually going to be quite sad because I've really enjoyed joining you every morning to give you the new deals and offers, but they are all coming to an end. You've only got a few hours left. We have some new deals added to the website, but today I want to run through my favourite of the week that are still available at the moment and expiring this evening. So, the big shout for today, though, is that we have got triple points today. Triple points, when you collect your points, you can then use your points to pay for future purchases. But if you're a VIP member, VIP members always get double points. That means you are going to be getting 6 times the usual amount of points on your purchases, which is absolutely fantastic. That might buy you a nice little Christmas present. So, triple points on everything I'm mentioning. Now, my favourite deals of the week so far, and like I say, these ones are still valid at the moment while stocks last. Now, we had, and this was just 2 days ago, it started, but it runs out tonight, Made to Surprise, 50% off, 50% off, and they are items as low as £2.99. Now, we've also got 60% off of all My Creative Life. Now, I love My Creative Life, designed by the lovely Katie Skilton, a really modern, contemporary design. So go and have a look at all the items there. I think there's something, or there were something like 33 items in the sale. But of course, some of those may have sold because that was a couple of days that's already been running. So from £2.99, those items. Now, Papercraft Society boxes have been dropped down to just £15, some of them. So go and take a look at those. And I know there is also an offer on Crochet Society as well if you love your box kits. We have got that amazing £1 deal. So there's 50 dies that have been selected to be priced at just £1 each. Everything is in your Black Friday offers page, okay? So click on the home page on CraftStash, you'll see a big black and red banner. Click on that and you will be able to view all the different category offers. We've also got 60% off of Creative Craft products dies. Now, there's lots of different card shapes and sizes in there. There's nesting dies in there as well, always an essential, but 60% off those items. And then lastly, I say lastly, there's a lot more than this, but there is 70% off the following 3 brands, okay? 70% off of Sheena, 70% off Card Making Magic, and 70% off of Paper Discovery. All of those also ending at midnight tonight. So you need to be really, really quick. Like I say, if you are a VIP, you'll be getting your 6 times the usual amount of points just today, but you do need to be a VIP member. So sign up for VIP at the website. I would suggest sign up for your VIP membership. It's $9.99 for a full year, a full 12 months, $14.99 over in the US. You're going to sign up for the year. I would suggest just do that as a separate purchase, get your membership, then log out, log in again, and then make your purchases, and your account will be updated to VIP status, so you'll then get your discounts immediately. So check all of the details out on the website. Don't forget, of course, everything is running out this evening, so be really, really quick with those deals if you've got anything sitting in your basket, because prices will go back up again tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining me throughout the entire week. I hope you've made some lovely purchases, and I can't wait to hear on the lives what you've been buying this week. Take care. I'll see you again very soon.